Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new around here, my channel is mostly videos about makeup. I have a series of tutorials based on zodiac signs. I have a skincare video which I refer to in pretty much every video. I say that I prepped my face for before the actual video, and if you want to know what I'm using, you can go ahead and check that video, and everything is explained over there. There is also some cosplay in this channel, and I only have 1 or 2 videos about that so far. There will be more once I start on the next costume. So today's video is going to be a summer look makeup. It's going to be like a bronze kind of look with browns and golds, and yeah, I hope you enjoy. Please subscribe and let's get into it. So I start with the foundation. I'm using L'Oreal True Match combination of 2N and 3N because 2N is too light, 3N is too dark, so need to combine them. Concealer, Perfect Match from L'Oreal 2N. Now I'm gonna apply some concealer on the eyelid as well. I'm using another one. It's from Maybelline. The problem with it, it's supposed to be sand color and it looks quite beige and white here, but when you apply it on your skin it's really yellow. So I'm just using it for the eyelids. Oh, and I have to set my face with powder before starting with the eyeshadow. And I'm using this powder. It's shade Nude from Primark in MS My Perfect Color. So for eyeshadow I picked 2 palettes. This one from Value Markers Professional Makeup Palette, and the one from Smile Cosmetics that I did a review on last week, because they both have browns and golds, but I think I'm actually gonna go for the professional one because it's mostly based on those kind of colors, as you can see. And I don't know, I think I will try with a dark brown on the outside, going lighter in the middle, and add some gold like smack in the middle. Then I'm gonna use these 2 colors over here for the crease, and then I'll build up on that. Okay, no, I don't like it. I will go for the darker browns. This is too autumn-y. I need a darker brown. Thunders. I probably already went too dark, but it's okay. We can fix that. We will blend everything with a fluffy brush and then build more colors on top. Okay, now I'm gonna try to go ahead with some gold and some brighter colors. This gold, maybe this over here, And this gray, I'm not sure how this gray is gonna look. I haven't used it yet. And I haven't watched or looked at any pictures to get an idea of what I want to do, so I'm just like freehanding this basically all the way. Okay, so this is the base of the eyeshadow. I think the brown would have been a little darker, but this will work for now. It's a little too red for my taste. I'm not sure how it looks on camera, but the gold is there and it's doing the job it's supposed to. So we have that. I'm gonna go ahead above the eyeshadow, like under the eyebrow and on the inside of my eyes with some highlighter. And then we can move on to something else. Okay, so we have the eyeshadow. We're gonna do some contouring now. Oh, and the eyebrows are already on. In every video I come with them on because they are, I'm struggling with them, and nobody wants to see that. It's just, I don't do much. I just add some liner in the front and some concealer underneath, but yeah. So we're moving on to the contouring now. I'm gonna use the contouring palette from Essence, and after that we are gonna do highlighter and eyeliner and lashes. Now we're adding some bronzing powder, and this time I'm gonna use the second one that I haven't used in a while, or like at all. Only one time in that video with my friend, and that's from Flormar. It's a very dark one. What shade is it even? I don't know. Dark. It's like this. Okay, so we went pretty heavy on the contour. Now we're gonna do a eyeliner. It's the one I'm using from, where is it? Essence. Super Fine. As always, went overboard with the eyeliner. Mascara Lash Sensational from Maybelline. Now as for the lashes, I did what I said last week that I will do. I removed the magnets from one set of magnetic eyelashes. Well, now they don't stay where they were supposed to anymore. It's these ones. It's not the ones that everybody loves, but the other ones. And I'm gonna try to glue them on and see how that works. Okay, so I had to struggle with these lashes a little bit off camera. They don't work as I hoped it would. I still get a lift on the inside and I don't like it, so I'm gonna have to get the same type of lashes with the for glue especially. But I tried. So underneath the eye I'm gonna add a little bit of eyeliner. I forgot to do that earlier. Just simple black eyeliner. And some highlighter, and since we're doing a bronze look, we're gonna use the bronze highlighter, a liquid one. I went ham with the contouring and everything today, so might as well go all out since we're already there. As for the lipstick, we are gonna go for a natural and simple one, a very nude lipstick. It's this one from Bipa. I don't know the shade. It peeled off. It's just like a nude color, very neutral, very pretty. This shade of lipstick has become one of my favorites real quick because it's such a good everyday color that you kind of have to have it. At least me, of course. I cannot speak for you, but I can speak for myself, and this is a lipstick that I pretty much use every day when I have to go out. But anyways, yeah, this is the completed look for today, the summer bronze look. I really went pretty ham on that contouring, but I really wanted a really bronzed look. This gold does that for it. The brown could have been a bit better. I need to check my other shades of brown. And yeah, the lipstick, like I said, I really enjoyed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like. Don't forget to write down below if you like it, if you would try it, if you would wear it. And please subscribe for more. I'm posting every Saturday afternoon. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!